Hello everyone. I guess you are finished. You have finished INICET. We don't know how your exam went, but now your main target is NEET PG 2026, which is on August 30. There is no other target. Okay. So the faster you come back to track, it's better. So we'll be planning revisions, how to plan revisions, and I'll be telling you how to go ahead and how to plan your schedule. And this time, interestingly, you will be doing your own timetable, not me. You will be creating. Yes. Wait for the surprise. So I am Dr. RMD and I have 3.5 years of experience since my cracking of NEET PG guiding students. I have conducted various mentorship batches and all. So today I'll be telling you exactly how to go ahead with your NEET PG revisions. Okay. So first thing, don't change your source. Your source will remain the same. Don't go for any condensed source, nothing, because whatever you have done so far, revision of that thing itself is the most important part. Now coming to how many revisions you should give between May 18 to August 30. Yes, you should give total 3 revisions. First revision for 60 days, second revision for 30 days, and last revision in the last 15 days. Totally you will be giving 9 GTs and you will have around daily 1 hour you should dedicate to clear your prior backlogs, because there will be some weak subjects which you wouldn't have done properly in your first read or your first revision. So now this actually is the schedule for the mentorship batch that I conduct, which I released recently for NEET PG revision. So for those people who have not joined mentorship, so mentorship is basically daily live sessions for those people who want to clear their doubt on daily basis regarding schedule, and daily schedule will be given. But there will be some students who don't want don't want to join mentorship. For them, I just wanted to type Dr. RMD in your website and in Google Chrome, and I want you to show how you can generate your own timetable without any cost. Yes, it is free of cost. So first click on this and it will take you to my new website that I had created, and over here you will find this customized and personalized study planner, which is free of cost. The name is MedPath. Okay, so once you go this, you will have to sign in using your you will have to sign in, and then you will be giving some inputs. Based on that, it will generate a proper timetable for you, and believe me, you wouldn't have seen a timetable like this, so realistic. Okay, so once you give your basic details, then you will have to select a target exam. For us it is NEET PG, but you can select even INICET, you can select NEET PG 2027. Then you will enter how many hours will you study per day. Okay, so let's say at least 8 hours are recommended. Next you will select what phase of study you are currently in. Let's say you are currently in first revision phase, that is you have finished one proper read, and let's say you have revised few subjects. Let's say you revised anatomy, physiology, you revised biochemistry, but you didn't revise you revised biochemistry also, you revised patho, micro, pharmac, you have revised. Okay, let's say you have revised this, and let's say you want to revise some subjects before, because this sequence will matter. Okay, let's say you want to revise ophthal first because ophthal is your weak subject, and you want to go through medicine also first, because this is the way how your timetable will be created in the same order. Okay, then let's say you want to do PSM first. Okay, so these 3 subjects you want to do, then subject, let's say it doesn't matter, you can actually arrange according to your order of preference. So this is basically where you mention which subjects you have completed in your particular revision, and then or your first read, and then you will be going ahead with generation of your customized timetable. Okay, so now you'll see whether you want to get a rank of less than 2000 or above 2000. If it is less than 2000, you should be at least in your first revision. If you are in your first read and you give less than 2000 rank, it will show that you are not eligible, because it's not possible. So that is how realistic this timetable is. So now you have 108 days left, and let's generate a roadmap. So I'll tell you, no coaching platform, none of them, no one till now has created a customized study planner like this, because it took me a lot of time to come up with this. It is based on statistics and algorithm, and I had the support of a very good tech team who helped me develop this. It costed me a lot, but still I have kept it free and open for all, so that it should benefit students. It's not like I always depend on you guys for everything. This time it is from my end. Take it as a gift from my end. Okay, so first go over here and you will be welcomed first to this website, and then you will be given choice of first revision. That is, you are currently in your first revision. Now you go to schedule part. Okay, in the schedule part you will see that you will see that each day topic will be distributed. Okay, so you had selected PSM first, right? So that's why you'll get PSM first, and how much time to dedicate for PSM and all, it will be given over the task pool. Okay, below the schedule also it is given. For example, today's target total 8 hours. In this 8 hours, you'll be giving BMW and environment 2.47 hours, epidemiology and health around 5 hours, and ESI and health programs total 36 minutes. And your main source will be MCQs, that is mainly custom modules, and notes revision, either your RR or BTR or main video lecture notes, whichever you had used. According to time available, you can use. So this means this timetable, this study planner, you can use for any type of study platforms. Okay, it is not only specific to any one study platform. Any platform you can use, either DAMS, Marrow, PrepLadder, anything you can use. Okay, now what you see over this side is a study planner downloading. Okay, so you can download your study planner. Okay, and then you can go through it. I'll open in a short duration of time. Now we'll see that okay, I'll just open it for you and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, this is not the main part, we have still a lot of things left. Okay, so this is the personalized study planner that will be generated, and remember this is generated based on when you have opened this. Like for example, if you had entered today's date, that is 15 May, your study planner will be something like this. If you had generated this on 18 May, then entire thing will look very different. Okay, so you will have to generate the total schedule again if you want to generate according to your choice. So you can even generate this on 20 May, or if you are in June, you can also generate it on 21 June, and that time the things will change. Okay, but it will make sure that you give at least 3 revisions, because 3 revisions are mandatory to crack NEET PG. Okay, so it will tell you how many hours, how many days will be going ahead with. Okay, now first revision, you will notice that 34 days are given. That is because you have already finished few subjects, right? That's why it is 34 days. Now you see day 1. Day 1 you will be completing PSM these topics. Day 2 PSM these topics. In total 3.5 days you will complete PSM. In next 2 days you will be completing ophthalm. Next 4.5 days you will be completing medicine, 4.5 plus half day. Then you will have 1 GT every 10 days, and everything is arranged according to weightage of PYQs. Yes, you have heard it right. If you see over here, renals of pharmacology has only 47 minutes, but if you see endocrine, it has got 2.8 hours along with sorry, this is for medicine. So if you see here, general pharmacology and ANS has got 6.1 hours. So why this difference? Because renals pharmacology hardly some 1 to 2 questions might come, but from general plus ANS, how many questions come yearly? 4 to 5 questions come yearly. That's why this is all, everything from beginning till the end, this schedule is arranged only on the basis of PYQ weightage. So that means if you make your own schedule, you are going to complete something, but that may not be according to prioritization. So what I have included here is prioritization, and believe me, you won't get any resource anywhere in the entire world which will actually give you a schedule like this. Okay, so let's say ENT throat you have 4.7 hours, ear you have 3.3 hours, next day also 3 hours, so total you have 6 hours, and nose you have total 6.5 hours. So this is for ENT first revision. So if you go like that in second revision also, you will get topic distribution, everything will be given. Now you will say this is still NEET PG. Okay, now this is the timetable that you will get if you start generating from 15th May. Okay, now till the last day of exam, including third revision, everything is given. So you don't have to depend on any mentor, you don't have to depend on any strategist, you don't have to depend on anyone to get a timetable. But yes, I believe that human touch is required for preparation, and that is where mentorship plays a different role. If your mentor is someone who conducts daily live sessions, if your mentor is someone who conducts daily doubt clearing sessions, if your mentor is someone who motivates you daily, okay, then you should join this mentorship session, and that is what happens in my mentorship daily. So I recently started revision batch. You can find the details in the comment section. So in that mentorship, what I do is I give daily schedules, I give daily targets. At the end of the day, I conduct daily live sessions, and I interact daily with you people, with the people who are there in mentorship batch, so that if they have any doubts, let's say in this timetable, what will happen is, like let's say on day 32, you are not well, you didn't know what to do, you are, let's say you have fever, you are sick, so you have these many topics pending. Now what will you do on the next day? In daily mentorship session, I will be telling you, like, yes, you can complete those things on next day, or should you complete or not, because some low priority topic you don't have to complete actually, because it doesn't make any sense to complete it. So but in this website actually you have an option for that. Okay, let's say in today's timetable, you can actually have a daily schedule, and you can bring this, okay? So for example, you see here BMW plus environment, you can bring it at the time slot available between 6 to 8 a.m. You can bring MCQs of BMW after that, that is between 6 to 8 a.m. Now you have almost 28 minutes left. You are seeing this, right? You have 28 minutes left. So next you can also bring this epidemiology and health, ESI and health for this 25 minutes. So your first session, okay, we have gone too much over the way. Yes, we have actually extra 28 minutes. Okay, this is plus 28, not minus 28. So yes, we'll take some things from that and we'll bring it here. Okay, yes. So we can also bring, I want something which is between 1.26 hours. So I think I can bring this epidemiology and health only. Okay, MCQ part. Notes part of epidemiology and health I can postpone somewhere over morning schedule, that is between 9 to 1. So what I mean is daily schedule, whatever is given, you can arrange it according to this manner. Okay, so wherever you want daily task, this is basically a to-do list. Okay, this is basically a to-do list. So I can complete all these things within this given amount of time because my total study duration was 8 hours. Okay, so I included everything, all these things in this, and how much time is there, it is mentioned in the red. Okay, how much time you have to give for these topics. Now let's say yesterday I had something pending. Let's say I had pending topic from anatomy. Okay, so what I'll do, I can add extra things also, like backlogs I can add. How can I add backlogs? There is an option called add custom task. Click on this and then I'll add anatomy abdomen topic is pending and I want to give 2 hours for that and add task. And this automatically gets added to your schedule. Now you can't drag it over here, but you can just add it and this will be added to your total study hours. Now some people say, sir, you have given all this, even though you have generated this complete timetable, everything is there. Now how to make sure that you are following this? Where is accountability part? And I have included that also. So if you come over this website, over this part, on the overview part, you will see how many subjects are completed. See, in first revision, you know that already we had given this anatomy, physiology and all. I had initially mentioned that these are already completed. Okay, so that's why we have this under completed. And as you finish subjects in your daily schedule, that is over here, once you finish subjects, so you will have to complete that day. Like today at the end of the day, you will be completing this, you will be ticking this. Like let's say you completed BMW environment notes, you completed MCQs, so you completed something, but let's say you didn't finish ESI and health programs, so you won't tick it. Okay, whatever is completed, it will be in green, whatever is not completed, that will be in yellow. So we'll log this at the end of the day. Once it is logged, then it will commit as partially completed. So that means on 15th, you had some topics which were not completed. Now these completed topics you have to finish using what? You have to finish using this custom task. Okay, that is backlogs. Now daily whatever you have completed, it gets added up over here. That is overall completion, how much you have studied with this 3 revision till the date of NEET PG, how much you have completed, that will come in this box. Backlog hours, how much you have there and how much you have completed backlog, that will come over here. And study streak is there. Okay, all this you explore. Okay, I'm not going into depth. And how much you have studied per day and how much you have performed better than others. Okay, that will also come. Are you there in top 10% based on your study hours? Now there is also a focus timer in this where you can set timer according to Pomodoro technique. You can do custom time. You can use alarm sound or something at the end of that 30 minutes. And when you focus, that will be added to your this daily study hours. Okay, so this is how everything is there. This part, that is first overview part, is for accountability, and the schedule part is for the study planner part. So I have tried to accommodate everything that is required for you for a proper revision planning, and you don't have to take any help. And biggest thing is this is free of cost. Believe me, it took me a lot of resources. It costed me in lakhs to build this platform, but still I have actually gone ahead with this because I believe in student welfare. It should help students. Whatever I have been doing so far must help students. So I do something and students are not taking benefit of this. That is what I feel bad. Okay, so because there is something that will give you entirely, okay, this website will give you entirely everything that is required. That is your daily schedule, daily target, backup to do your backlogs. Okay, that is you can add as custom task. You can also do your overview. You can log in your study hours. You can use Pomodoro technique. Everything is there over this. There is nothing that is left out. What is left out is you should come and sit there. Now what is not there in this is basically human touch, and that is why what I feel is lacking. And for that I had introduced this mentorship batch. It is there for NEET PG 2026 and 2027. Schedule for mentorship batch will be slightly different from this website related, because Website is anyway a technology. Human beings can't replace technology. So if you go over my mentorship batch that is starting from May 18th, you can log in this, and the most important part is daily doubt clearing session. Daily at the end of the day at around 9 p.m. there will be Zoom live session where I'll be directly interacting with you. This is not like some other mentorship sessions where you actually someone gives you target and tells you complete this, complete this, complete that. No, for that I have created this website. But what is different is you should be able to interact with someone. You should be able to interact with mentor. I am damn sure there is no one. I am very sure, because I have been talking to a lot of people over online consultation, and there is no mentor, there is no NEET PG guide, or there is no NEET PG your senior who conducts daily sessions for you. Definitely there is no one who conducts daily sessions, live Zoom session, and interact with students and clears their doubt on daily basis. There is no one. I am the only one who is there, and I can confidently tell that, because I have seen students attending other mentorship sessions, other thing, everything, and I have not seen anyone telling me that, sir, this person, his face is used, but the mentorship schedule, timetable, everything is given by some other non-medico, and those non-medicos will give it, and then they will be like, you complete these things. This is all you have to do. That is not what I am doing currently. Okay, what I am doing is I am basically creating this daily live session that is daily, that is conducted on daily basis, and I have been doing this since last November. Before that also I was doing, but this year's NEET PG I have been doing since November. That was for batch A, and this is basically batch B. Okay, and it is just at 20 rupees per day. That is a nominal maintenance fee that I require for conducting Zoom sessions, for maintaining the website, everything. Okay, so I'll make sure that you finish your targets on time. That is what I had done for this INICET batch also and NEET PG batch also, and I have got excellent feedback. If you watch a video which I released few days back on mentorship batch, you'll see the response in that. Okay, so I don't want to include all those. So if you are go ahead for going for mentorship batch, please opt mentorship batch. If you're okay with following this schedule, that is the schedule generated by this website, you can go ahead with this website schedule, and you can complete things on time. See, I'm giving you everything that is possible, no one else will give you. So I just want you to make sure that you utilize this to the maximum. That is my only aim, because these things are available for free. So don't stay away from these things, because I have been in this field for last 3.5 years, and I know exactly where students make mistake, and that is the reason I came up with this website which has all the schedule, everything, all tracking is there. Okay, link for this website is also given in the comment section. You can go to it and you can generate your own study planner, and make sure that you use this study timer, you use this focus timer, because only then things will make sense. Because if this is not there, you won't be accountable. And you can use study timer, like for example BMW plus environment, you can just use 44 minutes over. You can custom minutes and use 44 minutes, and then you will set this, and then you start focus, and then your screen will be only 44 minutes. Now you won't open this until your end of 44 minutes. So isn't everything available at one place? Then why don't you try it? So all the best, and I hope you give your views in the comment section. I really want feedback on this, because no one has so far created anything like this. Even multi-million-dollar companies, coaching platforms have not created like this, because once they create something like this, their business will be out of place, because everything is based on this schedule making strategies and all, and this entire industry of strategy and mentorship will fall down once this website picks up. And that's the reason maybe some of them will be not in good terms with me, because some businesses might drown, but I still think in terms of welfare of student, and that is what I'm committed to. So all the best.